Good morning. This video is on most likely interview questions for BFSI aspirants, especially with respect to question number one, which is the most common question. Tell me about yourself or introduce yourself. Some sample answers I'm trying to give you here, which will help you crack the interview. So, few steps to follow. Make sure you don't take more than 2 minutes to answer these questions. There is no need to repeat your resume details, rather focus on something which is not written in the resume, but it is equally relevant to the job profile that you have applied for. The basics like your name, educational qualification, your area of interest, and if you have undertaken any projects like or internship during your college days or post graduation days, you can mention. You can also briefly describe your family background and tell them why you are suitable for this job position. However, this is only a sample. You would want to make your own answer based on the points mentioned above and try to be confident. Question number two, what are your strengths and weaknesses? This is also the most likely question for any interview. The sample answers could be, you can include things like your personal qualities unique to you, that people, friends depend on you, they come to you for advice. You are friendly, focused, and reliable. You are punctual as well, and you can work in a team. That you are a team player. You can also mention few more qualities like your honesty, trustworthiness, and that you are patience if you possess them, and problem solving skills and good communication skills, which are a must for service industries like banking. So if you don't already have them, please work towards them. For weaknesses, you can say something like trying to please everyone and unable to say no to most of the times. Not being very confident about working independently. However, when you state your weaknesses, it is mandatory that you come up with a solution to overcome your weaknesses also. You can say something like you are working towards them. Okay. Question number three. Why do you want to make a career in banking and financial sector? The sample answer to start with, I would say what to avoid. Avoid saying things like I want to be in a respectable white collar job and a stable career. It may not go well with the interviewer. Rather, say something like banking and financial industry is one of the fastest growing sector in the economy. It has a wide scope. So in this digital age, since my qualification and the computer literacy makes most for the requirements for the banking industry, I would like to go for it. Okay, you can also add details of any of your family members being in the same industry, that of banking and finance. Question 4, why do you think KYC is important and what do you mean by that? Here, because it is directly related to the BFSI sector, try to give correct and refined answer. Okay, this is to check your awareness about the banking industry. So you can say something like KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and it is as per RBI's process that every bank is supposed to have the identity and address of the customers before they open their accounts. Okay, so it's also the objective is to be cautious and to help prevent money laundering activities. The KYC process helps to ensure that services of the banks are not misused. Question number 5, what are the functions of RBI? Again, a specific question, so better to be in a correct manner answer it. RBI established in 1935 as a central bank of the country. It issues currency notes, and it is a banker to government, it is banker to banks, it acts as a foreign exchange regulator, and it controls credit in the economy, and so on and so forth. You can pause the video wherever you feel you're not able to follow. Question 6, what do you understand by capital market? Who is its regulator? The regulator of capital market is SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. A capital market, it is a long-term financial market. Equity shares and debt securities form a part of it. It channelizes savings of retail sector to the spenders like companies and government who want to do long-term investment for productive use. Question 7 and the last one here. What is DEMAT account and where can you open this account? DEMAT account is where securities are held in the electronic form. Like if you want to buy and sell and deal in the stock market, you need to have a DEMAT account. However, trading account is also mandatory along with it. Okay, you can open DEMAT account in any of the banks, financial institutions, or even with a share broker after submission of KYC documents. That's about it. Thank you for watching.